Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by simplifying the scene. Remove clutter and set one dominant light so the hand reads clearly. First, place 1/3 tape markers on the frame and a fingertip sticker to lock position. This gives consistent placement between takes. Set your camera on a tripod, choose a moderate focal length, and level it so the hand isn't distorted. Once done, test one frame at the intended distance to confirm scale, because framing now dictates everything that follows. Now you align and secure the hand precisely. Attach a lightweight arm rig or clamp to hold posture steady, so micro movements don't ruin the frame. Make sure focus is on the knuckles or the primary contact point using magnified live view. That's why depth of field matters. Too shallow and detail is lost. Adjust a soft fill light at about 1/4 intensity to reveal texture without flattening shadows. Once stable, capture a short test clip and review movement at full. Finish by recording several takes with small controlled variations. Tilt, rotate, and shift by 1/4 inch, so you have options in editing. You should immediately inspect playback at 100% to catch motion blur, focus drift, or specular highlights that the camera picks up. If something goes wrong, isolate one variable at a time. Remove the fill to test light contrast, nudge the camera 5 degrees to reduce reflection, or shorten the focal distance to increase apparent sharpness. That targeted troubleshooting fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.